What I want to do is duplicate the gopher snare that I had on the 30-day challenge, because I'm really curious if they were escaping or something was taking them. Okay, we caught a gopher in our snare. Hi, I'm Greg Ovens, and this is Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. Greg Ovens, Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. This video, what I want to do is duplicate the gopher snare that I had on the 30-day challenge. The reason is some of you viewers were saying, and I agree, that maybe I was catching the gophers and something was stealing them out of the traps. The trap did go off. I don't see any sign of any fur or anything. This might have been just the work of the wind once again, but I'll reset it and check it again tomorrow. So I want to duplicate that here on my buddy's acreage again, where I have the chicken coop, and set the trail cam up, see what happens. But anyways, let's make the parts for our gopher snare again, because I'm really curious if they were escaping or something was taking them. Springy tree full of rose bushes. Picked the perfect one. Fight around the rose bushes. Got the folding saws that gave me. It's pretty handy. I like the way it folds up. Bring it back the other way. Great for backpacking. Just like that. Should have brought Zach's shovel. I forgot it. Okay, I've got gopher hole here, but this whole field is full of them. I've caught a couple of my stakes. I'm just working on the parts, but what I'm going to do is come back just before dark to set this up, and then hopefully we can catch this on the trail cam in the morning, because I know, like, before dark they'll all be back in their dens under the ground. That'd be the best time to set this up.
You must know your enemy. In this case, my enemy is a varmint. And a varmint will never quit, ever.
Oh, just came apart. I'm at my trap and it did go off. I checked the trail cam and yes, it was a gopher that set it off. I think he might have stepped on the loop and sprung the trap, and then it didn't catch him because it was just his feet touching and setting it off. So let's see what happens this time. I know this is going to work. At least we had one on the trail cam. He just went the wrong way. Okay, the other thing I'm going to do is I collected some aster flowers, and I know they like them. I've observed them before eating aster. And what I'll do is I'll just put this in front of my loop, but where he has to almost go through the loop to get at the aster flowers when he comes out. These gophers are in their hole right now because it's been raining. I'm hoping this time he'll come the right way, and hopefully he'll reach through to get the aster flower and set the trap off. So by setting the trail cam up, I'm starting to see what's going on when they come out of their hole, go the wrong way, and this and that. So next time we get them. Okay, we caught a gopher in our snare. He's not dead, so I'm going to try to let him go because all I wanted to see is if our trap was going to work, and it did. Try not to bite me and I'll let you go. Ah! He's just a baby one, but we did catch him. I don't want to kill him for no reason. Okay, I'm going to help you, buddy. I'm going to try to help you here. Don't bite me. I'm not in a survival situation, so I'm going to let him go. I don't want to get bit either. I'm going to get a glove or something. Okay, I got some wire cutters. Okay, let me cut this off. Once it gets cut, then he should be okay. There he goes. Okay, that wire will loosen off now because it's been cut. But we did catch one. Trap works. Survival situation, of course, I would have kept that gopher. But I'm not in a survival situation. I just wanted to make sure that my trap was going to work. And it does. But he'll be fine. So don't worry. He took off. Right away when I cut that, the pressure was gone. So. I only use these kind of traps in survival, 30-day challenges, whatever. But I had to make sure that the trap does work. Now I know it does. And we spared him. Right on. Well, wasn't that something, eh? We got that trap to work. We got good trail cam video of catching the gopher, the trap going off. I'm just glad that we were able to see that, yes, this trap works in a survival situation. So maybe something was stealing the gophers out of my traps on the 30-day challenge. We were successful. Had the gopher perished in this situation, I would have had a catch and cook gopher ending to this video. But as it was, fortunate for him, he was able to get free. And I'm happy with that as well, because I'm not in a survival situation. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Gopher snare video. See you on the next one. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications. And I got lots coming up. Stay tuned.